Hello guys, Happy New Year. I have an update for you, something that a Facebook representative actually sent to me. I'm talking with a lot of Facebook representatives, and I think we need to address this because there are some major changes that are going to happen for the targeting and the interests that we're going to use from now on. Let's discuss a little bit about this mail that says that there are going to be some changes that are going to start on January 19th of 2022. They are going to be removing, we will be removing some detailed targeting options because they people may because the people may perceive as sensitive, such as targeting options referring to causes, organizations, or public figures that relate to health, race, or ethnicity, political affiliation, religion, or sexual orientation. Some examples that I'm getting here is death causes like lung cancer, World Diabetes Day, chemotherapy, and such. Sexual orientation, of course, it's talking about the LGBT culture, same-sex marriage and stuff like that. Religious practices and groups, it's talking about Catholic Church, some holidays. I'm having several clients in the Christian niche. I don't know how this is going to affect, but we will see. I will keep you updated about that. Political beliefs, social issues, causes, organizations, and figures. Additionally, similar to previous updates. So we know that we're going to have several changes. I'm going to recap. We have these changes. We already discussed which ones are going to be removed. On the 19th, you won't be able to use them anymore. So if you want to do some ads, maybe for some period to win some time, you have to do it before the 19th so that you will be able to use this interest because they're going to be removed after the 19th. And after that, even if you have one ad set that has this interest, it's going to be active up to March 17th. After that point, it's going to be closed. So keep an eye on your campaigns. Maybe some of those are going to lose their ad sets if they are going to survive up to March 17th. It's a major change. I don't know the extent and the interests that are going to be changed or we will not be able to use. But other than that, now you're updated. You know what to do. I will see you in a future video.